Hey guys, it's Dr. Rob here with another video to help you move, feel, and be your best so you can live an active and healthy lifestyle. Today we're going to be talking about atomic habits and the power of one simple change that it can make. This story comes from a longtime fitness club member, one of our favorites. He absolutely loved going out to breakfast, and he'd always order your typical diner breakfast special with the sort of the eggs and bacon and toast, all that sort of stuff. One day he decided that he was going to cut out eating that free toast that came with it. Over the next couple months, without changing anything else in his lifestyle, nutrition, anything at all, he lost upwards of 30 pounds just by stop having toast for breakfast. Incredible results. He controls his blood sugar better, he feels better, he's got more energy, and it has a massive ripple effect throughout his life. I love this story because it really demonstrates the power of very simple, effective things you can do. They don't have to be massive transformation things. It's just the simple things that you're doing on a day-to-day basis that can make massive changes. So one of the books that I've read recently is called Atomic Habits, and had a couple amazing points. And I actually want to read one of the quotes out of it that makes a lot of sense in this. So success is the product of daily habits, not once in a lifetime transformations. So doing something over and over again is going to make a big impact. The other point that they really made that I liked was it's not really focusing on what you want to achieve, but who you want to become. So do you want to be someone, do you want to lose 10 pounds, or do you want to be someone or become somebody who exercises regularly, eats healthy, or eats low carb, right? So it's who you want to become that makes a very powerful difference in that mindset to help you achieve success. For some of you, that atomic habit when it comes to nutrition may be reducing your carbs. It may be reducing alcohol. It may be reducing that after dinner snack and trying to find and replace that habit that's getting in your way. One of the first things that we do with our fitness club members when we're coaching them on nutrition is we start them off with a nutrition journal. This gets them to write whatever they're eating on a daily basis down. We don't even ask them to change anything. We just want them to track it. When you start to track, it becomes much more aware, and studies have actually shown just keeping a nutrition journal will actually help you to lose weight. You can use, there's an app called MyFitnessPal that is free and it works very well. You can do it the old-fashioned way that I do, and you just write things down on a piece of paper in a journal and to keep track from there. From there, ask your therapist or your fitness coach, what is the one atomic habit that you want to change to create a big ripple effect in your life, okay? Have a great week.